Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV, Whiskey 1 Good Vibrations. I have a confession to make. In the past few weeks, I haven't made any contacts or even turned on my radio at all, except to test the antenna to ensure that it works. I've been off the air, essentially, largely because of health issues, but also because of the excessive human-made noise level in this vicinity. But mainly, it's been health issues and a kind of melancholy, one might even say hampathy. There was an article in QST one year called Hampathy, Apathy About Ham Radio. Well, not exactly. I love teaching other people about aspects of ham radio, those aspects that I know a lot about, and particularly antennas. And although I can't make designs or plans or offer specifics about recommendations for construction projects, I can listen to your feedback as to what you would like to see me do in regards to ham radio related tutorial type videos, short little ditties. And for that reason, I'm going to leave comments open. I can't promise that I'll do very many of them or any particular comment. I can't respond that I will make a video resulting from that comment. But I can't make it if you don't make it and offer me the suggestion. So that's the purpose of this video, is to request that you offer me topics, possible topics, for videos that I might do in relation to ham radio and in particular antenna theory. HF antenna theory is my strong suit, but I also know a little bit about VHF and UHF. So have at me with it. Nothing gives me greater satisfaction at this point in my life than to know that I have taught someone something useful, either theoretical or practical, about ham radio. As for getting on the air and making contacts myself, for the time being, I am QRT. I'm having, as I said, serious health issues, and this is consuming most of my time. Nevertheless, some is reserved for you, and that's why I've opened comments. God bless 73, and until next time, so long, which translates, of course, to da-da-da-da-da-da.